Now third Roman letter, factorize the following. First two questions are homework. Third question, root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. First we write the sum of factors. Sum of factors means coefficient of a, that is 2. Then product of factors means multiply root 5 into minus 3 root 5. Root 5 into minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. Now we can split minus 15 into two factors whose sum equal to 2 and product equal to minus 15. So what are the factors? Check 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15, and when we subtract the numbers you get 2. So 5 and minus 3 are the factors. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. 5 plus minus 3 is 2. So the required factors are 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. Therefore root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5a square plus 5a minus 3a minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5a square plus 5 can be written like this, root 5 into root 5 a minus 3a minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5a is common, so remaining factors are a plus root 5. Now here common factor is minus 3, therefore a plus root 5. Now a plus root 5 is common to both the factors, so a plus root 5 into root 5a minus 3. So root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5 equal to a plus root 5 into root 5a minus 3. Then fourth question, a power 4 minus 3a square plus 2. A power 4 means a square the whole square minus 3a square plus 2. Here the variable is a square. Now sum of factors is factors equal to minus 3 and product of factors equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. Now required factors are 2 can be split into two factors, that is 2 and 1. 2 into 1 is 2, and sum of factors means that is minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 2 plus minus 1 equal to minus 3 and minus 2 into minus 1 equal to 2. So the factors are minus 2 comma minus 1. Therefore a power 4 minus 3a square plus 2 equal to a square the whole square minus 2a square minus 1a square, that is a square plus 2 equal to, here a square is common, a square into a square. So remaining factor, that is a square minus 2, then minus 1 is common, then a square minus 2 equal to a square minus 2 is common to both the term, then a square minus 1 equal to, this 1 means 1 square. So a square minus 2 into a square minus 1 square. So this can be written like this, a square minus 2 into a square minus b square identity we have to use. That is a minus 1 into a plus 1. This is the answer. Now fifth question, 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square. Here m is common. So first we take m outside. So m into 8m square minus 2mn minus 15n square. Now sum of factors equal to minus 2 and product of factors equal to 8 into minus 15 equal to 0, 12, minus 120. Now we find out the factors. Minus 120. So when we add the two factors, you get minus 2. So consider 10 and 12. 10 into 12 is 120. Then 10 minus 12 is minus 2. So here you get minus 12. So the required factors are minus 12 comma 10. Therefore m into 8m square minus 2mn minus 15n square is equal to m into 8m square minus 2mn can be split into minus 12mn plus 10mn then minus 15n square equal to m into, here take the common factor. 8 means 4 into 2, 12 means 4 into 3. So common factor is 4m. Then what is remaining? 2m minus 3n. Then here 5 into 2, then 5 into 3. So 2n is common. So the remaining factors are, 5n is common. 5n is common. So the remaining factors are 2m minus 3n. This is equal to m into 2m minus 3n into 4m plus 5n. That is equal to m into 2m minus 3n into 4m plus 5n. This is the answer. Now, sixth question, 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy. This is equal to 1 by x square means 1 by x the whole square plus 1 by y the whole square plus 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y. This can be written like this: 1 by x the whole square a square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y plus b square, that is 1 by y the whole square. This is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. Using the identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Here a equal to 1 by x and b equal to 1 by y. This is the answer.